Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Fiesta hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside your car, typically found on the driver's side, near the footwell or dashboard. It often has a small car icon with the hood open. Give this lever a firm pull. You'll hear a distinct click, and the hood will pop up slightly, indicating it's unlatched. This initial step is crucial for accessing the engine bay safely and efficiently. Now move to the front of your Fiesta. The hood is still partially latched by a secondary safety mechanism. Gently lift the hood a few inches and reach your hand underneath the front edge, right above the grille. You'll need to feel around for a small lever or tab. This is the secondary safety latch. Push it to the side or lift it up, depending on your specific model, to fully release the hood. With the secondary latch disengaged, you can now fully lift the hood. Use both hands to raise it smoothly until it's completely open. Look for the prop rod, usually located along the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Take the prop rod and insert its end into the designated hole on the hood or fender to securely hold the hood in the open position. This ensures your safety while working. When you're finished, carefully remove the prop rod from its slot and secure it back in its original clip. Gently lower the hood until it's about 6 to 8 inches above the closed position. Then, let it drop. This allows the hood to latch securely without needing to press down. Always double-check that it's fully closed before driving. Also, check the description for the Darn Tough Socks link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.